Move.
Don't try that. Cool.
So cool, guys.
I'm a cool cat. Me and Kimberly. The dot. Somebody just yelled.
I think that was you.
No, it was a car. So I'm a cool cat. She's not. God. Woo!
You know what would be cool?
Okay.
If you could go like this, and then go like this with both feet up and like hang there.
Failure. Look at how you. See? Now you're pushing down, aren't you?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
My knee dropped.